Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope everyone is keeping well today. In today's video, we are going to make oven baked chicken thighs with potatoes served with salad. So if you're ready, let's get right into it.
Electric hearts in a city so bright. We're chasing dreams through pixel streams, dancing shadows under glowing beams. Let the rhythm take control. Feel the beat, ignite your soul. Colors flash, they paint the air. Hold the moment, nothing compares. Skyscrapers hum a steady tune. Stars colliding under the moon. Our laughter echoes citywide, a symphony where hearts collide. The echo of a fleeting glance, lost in the pulse of a reckless dance. Caught in the glow of fleeting time, a spark of love that feels divine. The echo of a fleeting glance, lost in the pulse of a reckless dance. Caught in the glow of fleeting time, a spark of love that feels.
And here we are, our dinner is ready. You're all invited. Thank you all so much for watching this video with me. Until I see you in my next video, remain blessed. Bye. Say hello to healthy hair. Find all you need for the perfect hair routine with our hair care products. Our specialized complete hair washing kit, beard growth oil, dandruff treatment oil, and extra hold gel works wonders. Order yours now. Available now in the UK and we deliver worldwide.